Hey, it's Brian from Arc Safety, and I'm here to show you how to measure your pupil distance, or PD. Your PD is the distance in millimeters from the center of the pupil of your left eye to the center of the pupil of your right eye. To measure your PD yourself, you will need a millimeter ruler and a mirror. You can stand about 8 inches or 20 centimeters away from your mirror. Place a millimeter ruler flat against your forehead and center the 0 over your left pupil. Once centered, cover your left eye and take a reading of the ruler at the center of your right pupil. And that's your PD. For adults, the typical PD measurement is from 54 to 66 millimeters. To give you optimum vision, the measurement must be accurate so that the center of the lens is in line with the center of your eye. Before placing an order at arcsafety.com, we need your distance PD on the order form if you are ordering distance or bifocal glasses, and your near PD on the order form if you are ordering reading glasses. Your near PD will be 3 millimeters less than your distance PD, as your eyes move closer together when reading. Remember, if you are not comfortable measuring your PD yourself, you can ask your optician to include this measurement on your prescription. So I hope this video was helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Arc Safety if you have any questions.